All right, so let's do this one. -5, parentheses, open parentheses, -2 minus 8m, close parentheses, equals 10 plus 5m. In other words, we don't know what the m stands for, and we gotta solve for m. We're solving for m. We want to find out what the m stands for. And we're going to find out if there's one solution, no solutions, or infinite solutions. So -5 times -2 and -5 times -8m. Because I can't combine -2 and -8m. -2 is part of the number family. -8m is the m family. So -5 times -2 is going to be 10. Two negatives make a positive. So -5 times -2 is 10. And -5 times -8m is going to be positive. 5 times 8 is 40m. And on this side I have 10 plus 5m. Okay, I want to get what family together? I want to start with the variables. I want to get the m's together. So that's a positive 5m. What's the inverse or the opposite of positive 5m? What's the opposite of positive 5m?
-5m.
-5m. So I'm going to put -5m on both sides, okay, of the equal sign. Because remember, there's a little thing there. All right, so I'm going to bring down my 10. So 10 and 40 minus 5 gives me 35m equal 10. I'm bringing down my 10. And 5 minus 5 is 0. So I can really just put 0 here. I'm canceling that out. I don't like writing 0, like you were just about to say.
No, I thought you said it takes the. Never mind.
It makes sense now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now I have 10 plus 35m equals 10. So now I want to get the 10s together, the number family together. The 10 and the 10 are part of the number family. What's the inverse of positive 10?
-10.
-10 on both sides of the equal sign. So that gives me 0. And once again, in most cases, I'm not going to write the 0 because I don't have to. Algebra is lazy that way. 30, I have 3. Should be 35m equals 10 minus 10, 0. All right. Anytime something multiplies and ends up with 0, whatever that variable is, it's probably 0. Because this is 35m, or 35 times m. So 35 times m is 0. We're going to do it the long way. So I want to get 35 away from m. I want to get m by itself. I want to solve for m. So what I'm going to do is the inverse, because the inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 35 on both sides. And you already see this coming. 35 divided by 35 is 1. Whenever we have a variable, if the number is 1 in front of it, we don't write the number. Algebra is lazy that way. And 0 divided by 35, anytime you multiply anything by 0, it's 0. If you divide anything by 0, it's 0. So m equals 0. So is that one solution, no solution, or multiple solutions? It's 1, right, because 0 is a real number.
So the decimal equals 1.
What decimal?
Wasn't you supposed to do 35 divided?
35 divided by 35? Because we were trying to get 35 away from the m. Because we had 35m, which is 35 times m.
Add it to the 10. Or not?
Oh, 10 divided by 10. 10 subtracting 10 gave us 0.
What is subtract 10?
Okay, so here's the first 10. We brought that down, so 10 plus 35m. We wanted to get the numbers to themselves. And by doing so, to get the numbers to themselves, I subtracted 10 on both sides. What I did was the opposite or the inverse operation, because I want to have the number on this side, the variable on this side. Number on this side, variable on this side. So I was trying to move the numbers so the numbers were together on this side. When I move the negative 10 by doing the inverse operation, 10 minus 10 is 0. It's a little confusing. A little bit?
Yeah.
It's good? Okay. All right, we can stop.
All right.